Today we're touring Legacy South at Highland Gardens, and it's East Nashville's premier luxury gated community, offering an exclusive and sophisticated living experience with just 47 single-family homes, just minutes from downtown. Home prices start here at $559,900, range from 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths, and 1,773 plus square feet. We're going to go in and check these out, and I hope you enjoy it. And can't wait to show these to you in person. Thank you.
Whatever. Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Finding a home is about more than just four walls. It's about finding a community that shares your heart. From our historic main streets to these rolling green hills, Nashville offers a pace of life you won't find anywhere else. I'm Gary with Elam Real Estate, a Christian-based brokerage here in Nashville. We love working with patriots who love our country as much as we do. If that sounds like you, let's connect. My details are in the description below. So we're in the downstairs bedroom, it's got a bathroom attached. This is $569,000. It's a single family detached. And it has garage, 2-car garage with a tankless water heater. So this is more of the base package, although I think she upgraded this. Huge pantry, and then your half bath in here, and it's a big living room. So this is the view from this one, and it's got a nice big balcony. So this is a ensuite bathroom. Big walk-in closet. And this is the other bedroom up here. Another ensuite. They didn't put in the high-end materials, so the cost is lower. The other ones are over $600,000. Laundry. So that's Legacy South. They actually have several communities throughout Nashville, starting at $259,900 and going up over $500,000-$600,000, depending on your size, budget, what your needs are. They do have a plan for you, and the best thing to do is to get with me and meet with them in their model home gallery and design studio to figure out exactly what you're looking for and take it from there. Thanks so much.